Hey, I'm William. You might know me from my introduction. This next video I'm going to do is a tribute to my dog named Nina. Nina in Spanish stands for little girl. So she is a little girl, and her name is Nina. And she's right here. See, there she is. She's a dachshund, and she's very pretty. She has many different colors. She has like many different colors. And she's called a Sweet Tan Isabella Dachshund miniature. What? It's not black and tan.
Chocolate and tan.
It's not chocolate and tan. Whatever. Well, whatever I call her. And I have another pet, but not a dog. It's a cat. She hurts me. And that's my tribute to my dog. There you go, Nina.